I am about to be walking around naked for the entire day. So I'm about to get undressed and I'm gonna act as if I'm just trying to continue the vlog. I'm officially clothless, you guys. Now it's time to go out there and surprise Quan. Babe, we're supposed to be vlogging and you're asleep? Really? Wake up.
Babe, you naked?
Whoa, no, take off your glasses, babe. My reflection is in them.
Hey, where's your clothes?
I could come closer if you want.
Oh my God.
What? Why are you looking? Baby.
Baby, you look so good naked.
Look at me.
I'm looking at you.
No, look at my face.
Babe, come on now. You know I can't concentrate like that.
What are you talking about?
Babe, you're naked.
Okay, and?
Alright, you gotta come closer.
What are you talking
Babe,
about?
how are we supposed to vlog with you naked?
What are you doing?
Oh
Keep your
God.
eyes up here.
Alright, can I touch?
No, you can't. You definitely can't.
Please, baby, come on.
No, you can't.
Don't do this to me.
All right, babe. We're gonna continue our vlog.
We can't.
Just act like I have clothes on. What the heck? You can't concentrate.
Babe, there's no way you're expecting me to vlog with you naked. Like, come on.
I do.
Babe, you too fun.
What are you doing?
What?
Let's go. Come on. Oh my God, this boy is crazy. What does that mean?
Just put down the camera.
No, I'm not putting down anything.
Just put down the
Yo,
camera.
Quan doesn't understand that we're vlogging today.
We cannot vlog with you like this.
Yes, we can. Look, we're doing it. Back up. Listen, you're not supposed to be doing that. You do not understand that it's just a regular vlog? Like,
so you gonna get naked and then bring me in the bedroom?
it's the guest
And
bedroom.
I can't do nothing with you? Come on, that's
What are you
messed
talking
up.
about? Quan totally just doesn't understand the whole concept of the video today, clearly.
What do you mean?
You don't
I
understand.
invented the video, so.
Well, okay, so.
Come on, how I don't understand the concept of the video. I invented it. It's just that it's not fair. You can't do it back on me.
You said it was nice walking around naked. So I was like, okay, I never did that before. Let me try it.
It's more of a tease with you being naked.
No,
Like,
it was the
come
same
on.
thing. You just don't like when stuff is done on you. What are you looking at right now? What are you looking down at? No, stop.
Baby, come on.
Back up,
Really?
Quan.
It's like that?
I'm just trying to vlog and put out a vlog for Team and Quan,
How
but he
we
wants to
gonna
play.
vlog?
Just like I'm doing. I can't even see anything.
Babe, first of all, get your couch, right?
Whoa.
Nah, since I got you got too. Get your couch.
Did you just spank me?
Yeah,
I said you cannot touch. Keep your eyes up. Why do you look like that? Yo, he's mad, but look at his lips at the same time. Are you kidding me? You don't even know what you're feeling right now. You're mad at me with your arms crossed, but you're still
feeling frustration. I know exactly what I'm feeling. Come on, you can't be teasing me like that.
Keep your eyes up, okay?
I can't.
Why?
Because you're it. And then you're not being fair. When I was naked, you ain't want me sitting on the couch.
Okay.
You can't sit on the couch. Come sit on me.
No.
Come on. Stop playing, babe, for real.
Yo, you are too funny. You want me to get dressed?
Yes, if you're gonna be sitting here teasing me.
Okay. Remember you said that.
Wait, no, don't get dressed. Just end the vlog. So we can, you know, come on. Baby, seriously.
Okay. I feel bad now.
Can we go to the master bedroom?
You want to go to the bedroom?
Yes.
Okay. All right, come on.
You serious?
Yeah, come on.
Babe, don't play with me.
I'm serious.
End the vlog. You're still recording. Why are you still recording? Come on, let's go. The bedroom is this way.
Quan just can't handle it. He can't take it any longer.
I don't care.
And I feel kind of bad, I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to tease my baby too much.
Yes.
But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Later, y'all. We gotta
Love
go.
you guys.
Bye-bye.
Baby!